Title Seating. Seating is a crucial second contact skill and valuable, used to accurately place the ball for a hitter, requiring a soft touch with both hands. Proper technique involves getting feet under the ball, forming a triangle shape with thumbs and index fingers and pushing through with legs and arms from the hairline, creating a square finish.